What's up, Jen? Man down.
Don't put it on YouTube.
Why not? Yeah, you sound like shit. I sounded like that. Like I have really bad seasonal allergies.
I never had allergies.
You can get allergies though the older you get. Get a fucking sport bike then.
No, I'm never gonna buy a sport bike. Those are whack.
Jen, you can't say that the whack if you've never owned one.
I'm just kidding.
If you've owned one, then you can say it's whack.
I'm never gonna buy a sport bike.
You say that now. And then when you have all that cash, you're like, bro, that Ducati looks sure does look nice, right? Just
get Olins.
Or get Legends or whatever, dude. Dude, I saw fucking Cruisy Originals building their most recent video. I want gold tubes now. I want gold tubes now so bad. But I'm gonna do that when I do my cartridges at the same time. You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna do it all at once. I think that'll be my next thing with like pegs and shifters. No, I'm gonna save our all-out build for our fucking road glides.
And I thought you never wanted a road glide. Those are whack.
Yeah, but the more and more you start seeing it.
Yeah.
But
see, I
but
told you.
but the FXR fairing, I still cannot get into. If I want a big front fairing, then it has to be a fucking bagger and bagger only. I was talking to Santos and Jesse, and they're like, "Yeah, dude, we're only averaging like 100 plus hours." I'm like, "What?" That's crazy, dude. Like, so Santos and Jesse are usually at 200 hours every peak period. Like, the reason why the service industry right now is so busy is because no one can buy cars, right? So, like, everyone's just fixing the cars that they have.
Darren tell you got a 5.0?
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
You too?
Yeah. I saw the video that night when you two went to Ford.
Oh, I thought
Manual, right?
Manual.
Okay, perfect.
6
Yeah.
speed, digital dash. It's like everything that you need. In that
Yeah, no, dude, the new 5.0s
Oh my god.
are like, dude, stupid. That motor is stupid.
It has all the options like AC seats, heated seats. Like that's what I want. You
Yeah.
know?